I just want to see if this is what we want this set up. Oh my God. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Max bright.
Yeah, and as long as you stay out of the, like the
Oh my
headlights,
God. What's this? Oh, let's not fuck with that. Oh, okay. So hold on.
as long as you stay out of the direct field of my headlights.
Look at my screen.
And are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording, so I'm getting all of this shit. But wait.
I just wanted to like shoot under it, like see if I could.
Hold on.
But
Remember,
yeah,
I don't know how to drive this thing. Here we go. Okay, send it, but keep an eye on it because I'm not professional here. It doesn't have that much nut. Oh shit! See, like you're. Wait, stop. Let me get it up. Oh shit.
Can you get the feel of like what it feels to just pull back nice and smooth?
Yeah, but hold on, let me get it stamped, dude. Hold on. Is that good? Or should I do with the camera? Oh my God.
Yeah, do something like that, a little down.
Okay, go. Wait. Oh shit. Oh!
Come on.
Wait, chill. Why is this thing so fun? Shit, this is hilarious, bro.
You're like getting a little squirreled with it.
Okay, slow down. Here, let's pass this house. Is this illegal?
No.
Oh shit. Okay, let's pass this house. Wait, we just do a nice steady. Oh shit. Okay, but slow, cause
you're doing fucking acrobatics
here we go.
over there.
Wait, chill. Oh!
That was good. That's gonna be a sick shot.
Chill. Wait, chill. Actually, you could have gone straight, but that's good. Here, let's actually quit while we're ahead here.
Do you want me to just go straight?
No, let's get the fuck out of here.
Get that camera out of the road.
Land.
You chill.